Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
Katnat CSR jongka company star cement lomshnong henin kesngi ka khad artrik o nailar araja arwar kalapan long ye ka program bakrapang hastar public school lomshnong hakabalasam ye ki scholarship bada ka phaulak tangka shapalat sanphungut ki khinna ki baha ka kardan ka bakhat ar ni class 12 ki bala pass ye ka examen star merit test balapan long mana ka arpoitrik ujleu araja arwar kani kalong kum shibenta ban kashan ye ki tu ki khinna ke badang beteng ye ki jing puli jongki Hagani kesngi u secretary jongkatnat ka puli puthi ka jila Meghalaya uba arap thap ulalongkum u kongsan ya ka jing ai scholarship la phia hakilai benta kata ki jiphongut ki khna ki barunga ka thup ka banukong ki yo san phojar tangka marwe ki ar phongut ki barung ha ka thup ka baar ki yo ka jingerap ka balai phojar tangka marwe but ar phongut ki barung ha ka thup ka balai ki yo marka san hajar tangka marwe ki ladon ru khat prangut ki khna ki bastan ki balajit na ki school bafer na shillong na juai ban clearian la samru ye ki mementos but ki sernot shakiti ki khna la ongru ba ka te ke jing sam ye ka scholarship ka longkum ka jing panchilori ki khna bakin nang ke usha prang ha ka jing pule but ha ka jo ka por bakin longru ka jing no senyang ban kin te ye ka puli puthi hapo jong ka district Habakren kum ukongsan uba arab thap ul ai ka jingkhup lei katnat CSR jongka company star cement kabalala ban penlong yakini ka star meriters kabala ai ye ka scholarship sheki khina na ki school bafer ki badana pok is gentle district ula kripat ru ye ka management jongka company bakan subha ban no sun yang lem kattu ka ne shaka policy batamai jongka puli ka puthi new education policy uba rap thap ul ai ru ka jingkhup lei kit bok kit ruyang yaki balayo yakini ka scholarship ki balale bha shisha ha ka exam Hakaju kapor ula airu ek jing sneng jing kraw ki khna bakin nang yai ke hak jing puli jongki namar ki khna school kidi karishot jong jila
There's a decision to spend few lakhs of rupees towards education. You know, a lot of money has passed through my hands just now. So many lakhs of rupees, and I can literally feel my fingers. But you know, money comes, money goes. If 50,000 comes now, it went away. I hope Star Cement Company is going to bring in more and give more to you towards the noble goal of enhancing education in the state of Meghalaya. Education is a very complex subject. It is a very difficult subject, and our state government, you know, Meghalaya being a small state with not many resources, now that the coal mining has been banned, that has depleted their coffers to a large extent, and the demands of the state, of the people of the state in education, investment in education has increased even more and more. So it is a very, very beautiful thing that the Star Cement is doing. In doing its bit through this mandate of corporate social responsibility, extending its hand, its magnanimity towards uplifting education in this remote area of the state. Now, I am very, very glad to have seen through this short video clipping that they have seen. They have done a lot of things, not only in education, they have done a lot of things in the sector of skill development, health, and other areas through the funds available under the corporate social responsibility to improve and to connect with the people of this district. That is more important because the principle of corporate social responsibility comes out from the fact that whatever you earn, whatever company is earning from the resources available in the district, it should somehow get back to the district for this welfare.